Okay, here I go. I'm going to go into my IXL account. Here, I'll just click sign in. Oh, there's my username and password already. I just have to click sign in again. Oh, look at all the recommendations. Oh, but my teacher told me I needed to do the skills she assigned. So I'm going to come over here to the blue with the star and click the suggested skill. Oh, and there it is, topic sentences. That's what my teacher told me to do. All right, let me click that. Oh man, I can get started right away. Let's see, the directions say read the paragraph, then add the better topic sentence. Blank, walking through the woods makes me feel good. If I pay close attention, I might see an interesting spider or a brightly colored bird. When I hike in the fall, I get to hear the satisfying crunch as I step on the fallen leaves. And when I hike after it rains, the damp earth makes the air smell dark and warm. Best time of year to hike is in the spring. I love the sights and sounds and smells of hiking. Oh, it's got to be this one. Okay, let's see. I'll hit submit. Nice job, I got it. And look, I got 12 SMART goal points. Woohoo! All right, I'll keep going. Woohoo! I finished my IXL. I did all the questions and got a perfect score. I have a SMART score of 100. Woohoo! And I can get a prize. Let's see what my prize is. Oh, cool. You want a sticker. Awesome. Oh, it's a ketchup bottle sticker. So cool. Oh, what was this one? I missed this one. Ah, ha, ha. These are awesome. I got 2 stickers. I'm awesome. Okay, let me go back into the Google Classroom and mark that I did my IXL. All right, here I go. I'm going to go right here where it says mark as done. Click. And mark as done. Now my teacher knows that I did my assignment. All right, I think I need a break.